Hello, my name is Marcel Mike. I am a third year Widener student entering into my second field placement. My field placement will be for a agency that works with children in the foster care system. I'll be working with a different population than I normally work with. I normally have most of my interactions with juveniles, those that are a part of the court system or might be a part of a fostering independence system. So basically, kind of sort of working with them to prepare for life outside of the foster care system. But I find that this aspect will be a little bit more challenging, working with actual families that are going through, excuse me, that are going through the in-home planning process for it. One of the things that I hope to get out of this field experience is understanding family dynamics, understanding how a child that has experienced trauma, whether it be through witnessing domestic violence or substance abuse or possibly physical abuse, kind of sort of interacts and reassimilates himself back into the family and prepares to work with the family by engaging them both individually and through group visits out at the home as well. I think that, sorry. I apologize for my dog barking. No, one of the things that I hope to expect that'll be different from general placement is, like I said, working with families. First year field placement, I was in a rehab facility. So I worked specifically with those that were recovering or trying to recover through substance abuse or through alcohol. It was very, very enlightening to see different clients, some repeat, some brand new to rehab, interact with me and actually engage and try to, help them better themselves and working them through the 12-step process that the agency that I was at kind of sort of promoted. I think that this field placement will be one where I am more engaged in the family dynamic as opposed to the last one. Like I said, it was just the individual, although families were encouraged to come to help the individual get through, the rehabilitation process of recovery. This is more in home family treatment, family dynamics, understanding what it's like to be a part of a family unit. That's the biggest takeaway thus far that I think that I will have that is different from my first field placement versus my second field placement. I look forward to this class and learning from others. The last field placement class that I had, we were able to bounce ideas and just different things that we've gone through off of each other. So I know that I'm not alone in this. So I look forward to hearing other people's stories and other people's videos. Have a good day.